X-ray intensifier is an important part of X-ray intensifier television system. Newheek has three X-ray intensifiers, which can replace almost all brands, and can meet the various needs of customers. It is a good choice to repair and replace or assemble X-ray machines. Usually the hospital consults more, because the original X-ray intensifier has been used for many years, the maintenance cost is too high, or the X-ray intensifier is damaged. It is not worth repairing. If you want to replace it directly, the original one is too expensive and hard to buy. So come and see if we can replace the X-ray intensifier. Our NK23XZ P3H9 X-ray intensifier is a substitute for Thales' original TH9438 QX X-ray intensifier. Although the appearance seems quite different, the performance, installation and function are actually the same. If you are interested in our X-ray intensifier, please feel free to contact us.